So today you're here in Grand Prairie in Texas. This is our main facility for support and services for the North American region. Of course, we have other satellite facilities around that help us with that job, but this is really where most of the action happens. We're in the middle of a big ramp up in the need for MRO components, and so this is one of the reasons why we have started this transformation to make sure that we will be able to meet the demands of our customers with a reasonable turnaround time. And this demand, this need will continue over the next 10 years. So what we're constantly monitoring is how is the evolution of the demand versus the capacity that we have, and we will adapt and go forward to staff and increase the shop floor capabilities as we go. One of our primary objectives with this transformation is also to see how we can reuse parts, repair parts more. In the global supply chain situation that we're in, this has become even more important. Demand is outpacing supply significantly, and so one of the main axes was working with our engineering teams here in the States, in Europe, but also with our vendors who are part of that supply chain on how we can repair more and reuse more instead of having to scrap it, which will have an impact on the turnaround times, but also on cost. So we're trying to optimize cost and TAT for the benefit of our customers. So the new test bench that we have here services all aircraft from the 135, 145, and 160-365 families. And really what we're trying to do here is to make sure that every dynamic component that we assemble, overhaul, repair here in the shop is 100% safe and at the highest levels of quality. We put it through a full load cycle test here in this test bench so that we can assure that there is no issues with leakage, no issues with the gears, how they connect with each other, and that we're 100% safe. So really the biggest advantage of this test bench is that we can test about, I would say, 4 times the dynamic components compared to the previous ones, just by using different technology on how we load it, how we install it. It's kind of plug and play. It's like on your computer, you plug something in and you can test, and then you're done and you bring in the next one, instead of spending hours or even days of putting things together before you can test. So really what is special here is that we have significantly enlarged our areas for assessing the condition of a component. So we talk about cleaning the components, we talk about measuring all the dimensions of the components, and then we talk about non-destructive testing to find any potential cracks or safety risks that we cannot see with the bare naked eye. And these are the facilities that we have significantly increased in surface, in technology, in employees over the last couple of years to make sure that we don't have any bottlenecks as we increase the throughput and decrease the TATs for our customers.